guys, let's check it out. 1999 Land Cruiser, 200,000 miles on, all original. So let's look here. This is a rear resonator. It's pretty much straight flow through style. In the center muffler. This thing is massive. It's like 50 pounds, and we're gonna cut it out. This is a little bit of an experiment. Not really sure exactly what we're gonna get. I don't want it too loud, but I do want to hear a little bit of the V8 noise. So we're gonna start by putting a Magnaflow in here. I'll reference the number. It's like 22 inches long, and it's nice and sleek, so it should be louder than this. Let's show it here. And then let me show you what it looks like installed. So we can see now the after. Everything in the back is the same. I did put the trailer hitch on, so it looks a little different, but otherwise the rear is all the same. Just giving you guys a little view here. And then from underneath, here's the goods. Much smaller, way more compact, tighter up to the body. It's not very loud. Spoiler alert, my wife didn't even notice the difference, but it sounds throaty. No drone on the highway. I hope it breaks in. Let me know in the comments if I should cut off the rear resonator or what I should do next. Let's do a start. Okay, so there you have it. It's pretty quiet. Let me know what you guys think. Tell me in the comments. Should I cut off the rear resonator, or is that going to be too noisy? Hopefully it breaks in. Let me know what you guys think. Please like and subscribe. Check it out. I'll make some more Land Cruiser videos. Talk later.